Today I'm going to show you how to sew a zipper bag on your Melco assignment machine with the Fast Clamp Pro. First, we will open the jaws of our clamp using these levers on the side here. Then we will grab our bag. I've got a piece of tearaway backing already inserted. We'll slide this whole thing onto the machine, then close our clamps. Once these are closed, I'll use these adjustment screws on the top jaws to firmly clamp the bag onto the machine. Now that we've got the bag on the machine, I'll go ahead and adjust my settings. So I'm going to run this bag at around 1,000 stitches per minute, and we'll run the active feed at around 6 for our minimum. I've also already adjusted my presser foot height to around 2 or 3 clicks up from the bottom. That will all vary depending on the bag that's on your machine. And we'll open our color sequence menu, select the color that I want to use, and then we're ready to sew. Now that our bag is done, we'll go ahead and take it off the machine. Make sure you close your clamps. Now here's the final product.